What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs from Dijs University and welcome to the journey into native ads. We're going in deep. So I have the first results of the ClickBank campaign. Today is spent of $34 only, yesterday about $95. It is going too slow. So what I decided to do is create a new campaign because the whitelist is not spending from the previous video, and a campaign with 3,500 placements, that's a little too crazy for the budget that we're running with, the $10,000 on one campaign. So I'm going to run a new campaign with a whitelist with hot sources. This is called the little Nativo Juicy List. So we're going to do a new DSP campaign. I'm just going to throw it together. I will run it on $1,000 a day to get some real juicy. So it's almost all web traffic, first price bidding. So gotta keep in mind the bid. Active, next, Colin, Nativo, whitelist, in-app, journey into native ads. Let's go. The flow I'm going to use is that flow. Just to be sure, double check it. 3 lenders and the proven ClickBank offer. This is global. Just checking, just to be sure if I have the right offer here, but I do. So that's good. What the fuck? No, I don't want to see this. Alright, let me just change that name real quick. Save. That flow is good. It is getproven.net. Next, we run in the United States of America, in-app only, mobile only, with a that's really little amount of traffic. Why is that? 52%. Did we select Nativo? Yeah, Nativo. Oh, it's all web. My bad. Let me check my messages if that's correct. Because I thought it was in-app, but I guess I am mistaken. Mobile only, in-app only. Alright. So it is in-app, but we're going to run with quite a small placement list then. So it is in-app, so no web, and still a good amount, but only 3% of everything they have available. And I'm going to put in a whitelist, so Nativo Juicy List, which will cut the placements even more. You can see quite high CPM. We'll start quite high because I want to push on this one. So we'll start at 451, which is more than 75% of available traffic, unlimited, $1,000 a day, smooth spend. Next, main images. I have a nice folder of these images, and not all are correct, so I have to remove some. I'm gonna remove this one, and this one, and these ones are not the right size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's good. I have the headlines ready, but I think they are too long. But that's okay, we can cut them. Yes. Alright, so 50 is the maximum. Breaking news. I just removed the breaking news because that's extra. What's the maximum for Nativo? It is 60. Once you predict the... Okay. I'm going to remove Dr. Shocked. Easy, just remove the additional. Can I do this? Yes. Okay, that's good. Simple trick to losing. Keep the copy simple. Okay, this copy is just way too long. Can we rewrite it or should we remove it? No. it's just way too long. Belly, arm. No, it's too long. We'll keep it at belly fat. Simple secret to losing. Okay, keep it simple, guys. Keep it short and simple. Description. Well, description is a good one. I didn't copy that, so I have to go into the old campaign. Copy the description for Nativo 90 characters. So I think we have to make it a little shorter than it was previously, but that's okay. Oh, maybe it fits, maybe it doesn't. Yes, 90 exactly. And the call to action, watch now. I need to resize the icon actually. So the icon size for Nativo is 200 by 80. 200 by 80. Let me see, I think I have the icon available. Because last time our campaign didn't run properly because we messed up the icon size, right? So we'll do it like this. It's a beautiful image. Can't be too big. Crop the sizing a little bit. Well, let's not do that. It might fuck up like last time. Bang. Perfect. Oh, display brand name. Healthy Zone. Watch now. Cool. Create. How many ads we got? 64. That's good. Next. Frequency 2 a day. Impressions per widget 1. Perhaps I should change the strategy to ASAP, because with 1K a day, I think this list only holds 6 placements, so I'm not sure. Let's just get some budget going in the first hour so I can give you guys some updates. But the main reason for creating this campaign, the other campaign did not have enough traction. No conversions, so one-time CPA spent. I think the CPA on this offer, let me see. The CPA on this offer, where is it? Health and fitness. The CPA is about $141 average CPA. I talked with them over email and they told me it's around $114. So maybe they're testing out the funnel. But so far we have not even, well, we have spent maybe one-time CPA, right? But we have such big budget left. I want to pace it up a little bit, get more traction, get more results. So more than 75%. So $2.48.84 is 75%, and $8.15. So we're around, I would say, 80-ish% on the bid reach. $4.51. Can I do another one? Yes. So I will make this 9. 1K a day. Pretty big campaign. Let's do it. Next. Save. Now we just wait for the approval. New campaign, short video to the point. Tomorrow I'll check in with you guys with the first results. If you have any questions, recommendations about ad exchange to use, drop them down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.